Hello everyone, welcome to Build to Achieve YouTube channel. Today I came with a smart study plan for LRB, Legal and Regulatory Aspects of Banking, paper 3 of JAB. Today is 19th March. It's a very limited time is there, 40-45 days or hardly 40-45 days are for the examination. And moreover, LRB is full of sections and legal and regulatory, all these rules and regulations is there. So we have to give some sort of little bit effort on that, then only we can clear. So how we can clear within limited time? We have only 30 days. Suppose we plan like 30 days. How we can plan this with a smart study? So I came with short question from each topic, 30-day study plan. All those things are included in this. How we can this 30-day study plan is very important, and moreover the priority wise chapter covering, because we know module 3 is a 3 LRB covering 4 modules are there, but if we are going to A, B, C, D like phase, that means we are not going to cover the paper also. So if we are important, the last D module is so important that we are skipping, we are not going to pass examination. So priority wise the covering is very important. So priority wise covering is so important. So and that I am also included in that. And then tips for first attempt clearing. So in this I would like to say for JB examination, apart from the other examination, we have 3 pattern of questions is coming: half mark, 1 mark and 2 mark. I explained already in my videos. Half mark, 1 mark and 2 mark questions are it's coming. That is the main thing in this JB examination, because while we are writing an examination, we think like half mark questions we can easily attempt, because only peripheral study needs to, maybe without study also we can cover 20, 25, 30 questions of half mark. If we are covering 30 questions, if we are completed or correcting half mark questions, we are getting 30 questions, we are covering getting 15 marks only. So we have to get 1 and 2 also, then only the possibility of getting cleared in the examination will be very high. So we have to ensure that the 1 mark question and this 2 mark question should be passed. So need some sort of in-depth study. I already explained in my video, so I am not going to again is not repeating. So that tips and tricks for each in my video, in each topic I am including the pattern of coming, what type of pattern in this video, in this chapter, what type of pattern we can expect. So that is also I am explaining. So here the priority wise, then short questions from each topic, what are the questions previously asked, likewise I am also explained. So we'll go to the video. So we have D module A, B, C and D is there. It includes module A includes 5 chapters and module B includes 13 chapters, module C includes 19 chapters and D 27 chapters. There are so many chapters are there, around 60-65 chapters is altogether is there. So how we will start, which is the priority, which is the best priority we have to start, or A, B, C, likewise the normal person is going, A will complete, B will complete, C, in between C our time will get up, so we just give up the rest of the person. No, that is not the way of studying. So the best chapter is, I will introduce you the module B. The first priority is module B. In this indemnity, bank guarantee, letter of credit, all those things is so important. Then types of charges is there, it's coming as type of charge, pledge, all those things are hypothecation, all those things are coming. So it's so important chapter, so we have to cover first of all the module B. Then we will go to module C. Then the second priority is module C. In this law of limitation, consumer protection is I think somewhat we know the things already. Then legal service authorities and which are the forums, and I will explain each and every topic I will explain you. Banking ombudsman, it's so important, all those things are also important. So after B you just go through the module C, then cover it. So next is module D, Indian contractor, sale of goods, partnership. In the I think 27 chapters are module D is there, but still it is very important. So module B, C, D, then only we have to go to module A. If we are missing also, I think we can clear, because 27 only 5 chapters are in this module A. We just go through within a day, just complete this within 2-3 hours, you just complete module A. Rest of the modules B, C, D you just complete thoroughly definitely you can clear this examination. See, only five chapters are there module, and just go through within 2 to 3 hours, just go through that without mugging up or without just understanding all those things. I think we know the returns, inspection, winding up, merger, acquisition, all those things are there. So three main chapters are there, so complete it first, then go to module A. Then I already told you a smart way of, I divided the 30 days in a 10 10 10 each days. So for the first 10 days we will cover the module B and small portion of module C. Then I make it in a red mark here, revise the above chapters. I will explain you a small thing. That means for our brain, it's a one problem is there. Suppose one day we are completed, the second day we are completed, and we are go through the third day. If we are seeing the chapter 1 and 2, you will have some sort of memorizing things. Suppose if we are not revising each of the things after 5 or 6 days, maybe we have input some sort of things in the first and second day, that will be lost. So just revision is very important. So after 2-3 days, I think I am giving here, after just 4 days, just do revise of 5th day, or likewise all 2 to 3 days just started revising, then only the efficiency or the productivity will be very high. Otherwise we can say our effort will be fulfilled only after the revision. Otherwise once we study, it will go on likewise. So do revise after 2 to otherwise the chapter wise also just revise, which revision is very must. Okay, the second day, second bunch, that means 11th day to 20th day, I am also planning like ombudsman, that means module C, it's contained ombudsman, all those things are there, law of limitation, all those things. Then revise the chapter. Likewise the third day also, if you want, just pause the video, then just get a piece of paper and write it down everything. This is the way, just plan for within the 30 days we will complete everything. Then if you have to, maybe you have 2-3 days there, start practicing the mock test. So you will definitely have some sort of doubt on the particular chapter, so we'll revise again, or what is the answer for that. So that mock test is very important. That also lead to the possibility of getting cleared in this examination. Okay, so this is a way you can clear the examination within 30 days. So please go through this pattern or strategy what I explained in this video. Make sure this time 2021 this May, you have to clear the May 2021 examination JAB. You will clear. The next time you are not going to attempt, this time itself we will clear the examination. Okay, so please do subscribe and like. If you like this video is helpful, please do subscribe and like my channel.